What's up, my peeps? It's Cynthia, the Fitness and Wellness Bully here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am the real life fit to fat and soon to be fit again. If you know, you know. So I've been away for a couple of weeks, was working on a project, took up a lot of my time, but I'm back. I'm back. And today I bring you a beginner-friendly 10-minute standing ab workout. It's easy to do. We're gonna work on that six-pack, but you know abs are made in the kitchen, so you need to make sure your nutrition is on point, all right? So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. I love reading your comments, okay? If you could do that for me, that would be great. Anywho, remember, this weight loss journey is not easy. We are in this together, okay? And it's important to love yourself through the process, okay? So, enough of the formalities. Let's get it poppin'. Ay, ay, ay.
Start out with a really quick warm-up.
Sensation.
Little march.
Contact. Sensation.
Be a nice torso rotation.
Contact.
Hands can be anywhere you want. I just kind of like it in the fighting position for me.
Contact. Sensation.
Now, cat to cow. So lead with the chest. Round through back. Again. Give me one more. First exercise. Standing crunch. Hand behind your head. Crunch. Now I want you to think about bringing your ribs to your hips. Okay? Pulling the navel towards your spine. Working that core, baby. Core strength is so important for our everyday life. Breathe. Now I forgot to mention, we got 45 seconds of work and a 15-second break in between so I can demo the exercises. Nice and controlled. Try not to pull on your head, okay? See, I keep my elbows back. Little break. As you rest, keep moving though. You're going to be expanding bicycles,
Sensation.
right? So think about shoulder to knee instead of elbow to knee, right? Give you more rotation.
Sensation.
Here we go. Right now. Hey.
Contact.
Remember,
Sensation.
fly. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in.
Contact.
Try not to pull on your head. A lot of people like to do this.
Sensation.
Keep the elbows back. Breathe. Exhale as you crunch. That's the key. Little break coming. Next, you're going to do oblique crunches. So, hand on your head as usual. Slight bend in the knee. You're going to crunch. Okay? Side to side. Right? Here we go. Crunch. Crunch. Pull it in. Think. Rib to hip. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling it. Yeah. Sound effects
Life is a party time. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, feeling